The rumor mill is actively leaking details about upcoming flagship phones expected to launch in China from September onward. A fresh leak from popular tipster digital chat station has revealed new details about what is believed to be an upcoming Xiaomi 18 series phone. The leak suggests that the device will arrive with several notable upgrades. According to the tipster, the engineering prototype of the device is currently in development and could arrive as the only compact flagship phone in its segment to feature both a next-generation 2nm flagship chipset, which appears to be the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, and dual 200-megapixel cameras backed by large image sensors in its rear camera setup. The leak further claims that the device may pack a battery capacity starting with 7, suggesting a battery in the 7,000 mAh range with improvements over previous generations. Despite the large battery and advanced camera hardware, Xiaomi is reportedly working on a slim and compact design, with a flat display featuring ultra-narrow symmetrical bezels enabled by new LIPO packaging technology. While he has not specified the screen size, it may feature a display of around 6.3 inches. It remains unclear whether the tipster is referring to the standard Xiaomi 18 or the Xiaomi 18 Pro. However, it appears more likely to be the Pro model, as a previous leak from the same source suggested that the 18 Pro would feature dual 200-megapixel cameras, whereas the standard model would include a single 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera in its rear setup. Xiaomi has launched its flagship phones in September for the past few years. This year as well, the Xiaomi 18 series, which is expected to include the Xiaomi 18, 18 Pro, and 18 Pro Max, may debut in the same month. At present, there is no clarity on the global launch timeframe for these devices.